The UK public sector's top FM suppliers. FM encompasses a huge range of activities, from cleaning and security services to building repairs and maintenance, but who are the companies leading the way in this diverse market? Meet the FM Titans is a list of the top 150 facilities management suppliers by public sector revenue in 2021/22, aggregated by Tussell. Suppliers have been analysed at a group level including all FM-related subsidiaries to provide a comprehensive view on the market's top earners. This report explores the FM Titans' position in this important market and what it means for their customers, partners, and competitors. To download the report, click the link in the YouTube description.
Read more at twinfm.com.